Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy July 2020 Glam Bag, and this is what the bag looks like. I've taken the items out of the bag, and yeah, it's a cute little bag. It's in plastic. The color is pink, which I like, and it says on here escape, and it has like the little like aqua, or it's like a light blue color, and I just love the little tab. It has like an airplane on there. So cute. So yeah, that's what the bag looks like, and I'm going to show you the paper that came in there, and it says take a break, airplane mode, your phone, put up. Um, it says put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re energize, whether it's a living room, dance party, or a bold lipstick. Take a break from the original. It says let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? It says where will it take you? Question mark. And then it says hashtag tab Epsi take a break. Yeah. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like inside. And it just says here, your ultimate beauty staycation. And it says no round trip needed for full body bliss. And it says here, we've got the tips to transport yourself to a 5-star happy place. And yeah, this is what it has in there. Like I said, I'm not going to read those, but yeah, this is what it looks like in the front again. And now I'm going to show you the products that I received. The first one says Joel Smith, then it's Beauty. It's an eyeshadow. And I'm going to just show you the back because it says the color. It says it's called, if I could get it straight here, Wise Guy and Gold Mine. And I'm going to open it to show you it. This is what it looks like. I've tried them out, so that's why you see the fingerprints on it. Yeah. And this is the first item. And I just want to show you what it looks like on my hand. Focus. Yeah. These are the two colors. Then the next item that I received is called Will Powder. Powder. And it has it's a blush, and this is by the Balm. The Balm Cosmetics, yes. And this is what it looks like inside. This is a blush, like I said, and the color is called Worth the Wait. And this is what it looks like. And I also tried this one on so I could show you. And this is what this one looks like. Oh, you can't see it. It's really shimmery. Then the next item that I received is hints. And if I can read it, I'll tell you what it is. Focus, focus. Trying to get it to focus. And This is it says here it says a fresh fusion pure herbal extract, and it's a herbal body moisturizer, and it says positive beauty positive sorry about that, positive body and soul. And it smells sort of citrusy. It smells really good. I like the way it smells. And it says 100% enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. I can't really tell, but yeah, this is what this looks like. Then the next item that I received is called Luna Liner, and it's water resistant liquid eyeliner. I didn't open it because I was thinking about giving this to family members, so yeah. And it's in blacks, and you've seen liners before, so I didn't want to open this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Then the next item that I received is Dr. Hung Beauty Lab, and it says here this is vegan approved shea butter nourishing mask, and this is a mask for the face. So this is for extremely dry, and it says oily, moisturizing, balance, uneven skin texture. Yeah, this looks good. Then the next item that I received is another mask, and it's by Dr. Hung Beauty Lab, and it's vegan approved British Rose hydrating mask, and it's for rough skin, dryness, tired skin. And again, yeah, this is what it looks like. It says intense hydration. Okay, and I just wanted to show you, these are all the items that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag. Yeah, these are all the items. And I just want to thank you again for watching. And I just want to say goodbye. Also, yeah, I wanted to say goodbye, but please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Goodbye.